Good morning to everyone. If I do video, no dey post. I just tire. Me no dey like life. Wesha, my just use this opportunity to do this life. Give me a go reach out on go inside bush. You understand? This message now to Eddie Murphy, social media president. I don't want to wait make anybody come because I want to use as video poster. As I not agree, the thing I don't do video reach 3 times since the thing on the post. You understand? I see message. The message reached me. The video went into. I know the deadline always, so I know when into the day life. The message reached me. Eddie Murphy, I not come call insult you, but I just can't thank you. Like seriously, I can't thank you. The reason why I can't thank you, say, for my mind since say okay, maybe I do something, but now I can't not do anything. That's word when you know when you feel they talk, I they laugh. You talk some kind of I just they laugh. But when you can't talk this particular to side a friend policeman, you can't have marriage John and that one not consign me. Side a friend policeman, say he rent house for me for Lagos. Not truth. Yes. I date policeman, senior officer. When you rent house for me for Lagos, they help me, they spend money on me. But my dear brother, now friend, kill me. Now friend, I'd say. The way you take talking, you're blessed now you be my friend. Why I always talk to concerning my life. Now my friend carry my matter congregate out of jealousy. Why I tell they confined, say I took talk. I don't get secrets. Truth. But before I talk, my fair advise my people, my dear sisters. In yawa afofwa, yo beva gwe. In yawa afofwa yo beva gwe. Nehe ya zeken yo ekemeken. Ose egugwa. Any meje you want say. Emi tamona. But this particular about my relationship, it was a time I was in me. Man no way away. But in here no way, you will lock up. And even trust. So tona gyo wame my Murphy. Ikino wame jona gyeya. Out of jealousy. Ime authority ogove. Authority ogove. Me over sigbovo. More sigbovo. You know what die the Murphy get comment. While te bonnet the Murphy go block away. Comment oriati. Me we video here the Murphy would go for beat. Me all those saga life go for beat. Or me wa Facebook. But imagine Osimena here him the social media president Eddie Murphy. Ona ya me asi one. I know do atalo be ni af ejege ira ni hin na me meta anything. But he wa do analyze e. You do analyze e no Eddie Murphy. First uwe but nika tonemi o ma ke mo ma bu wi ade do ya do bo pay we uwe lu enwan o se me not you we ni not all those o se me no o ma pa no hegi lele police we Nigeria wa na no ero o se ba ko yo pa ga teme ni gbe me ma yo pa kan imata me e ma gbe ra wo se me e ma pa ma ni ya live here Nigeria. Okay, da me ma wo igbovoga no, but we say truth to go we say who get help me my brother. E pa we help me gbe we wa fe tu we wa who etiz him all those. No, we help me gbe. Could I ya poison no mama ni wuri aye here here. E na ya poison no mama ni iwomo. Ona ni we tan na no we ya tan mege e talo. Because I keep poison no game for here. Okay, imagine like you know na describe over what say we. E que não diga que só se vai você vai pegar guamé. Uma vez mal guamé. E você Nigeria. E você Nigeria. Bera we magba ko donire. Ni vere Nigeria ke ni rodo. Ana describe one, ana describe anyway. Eni yale lo bia bia fana taleya. Do we marriage by no problem. Boy lele o bia no momo no gele happy me. Ono si bovore. We no me na. E yime no. Be akpa no ri adagbo me wa no. Iyo pokpa almost aro na ume. even when I view you, so about all Jimmy. Bonnie man said on sick boy for because that dog more diagbon. That dog more diagbon. Even got talo look at we do talo. So say again any affair or contribute but not top women adioba. A citizen in him. Any contribute but not yet a webo. A problem webo. No ya me do relax in Nigeria. See before the man stop. They think ya be ya better. In ya take you away. But ima and in your hog bogame. It's a log be. You keep him in a women. Who are feeling that way ya women? Women yes we ya me. Is women are poison on my kere. Me my bovoni. Me my bovoni. You got too much to say, you my dear brother. Who wafi? Who where? Me I put this me already no where. Me say no. Is me? Where's who must na digwena? Ya wa digwenwe. Who where's it be me? Wepi me gbe e pa wepi me. Ake points don't get me for yeah, Malay way, in my egg bovoni gare here, get wale le policeman. You know why or no, oh, what happy me. We tired dog have no more what me call yes, oh, what get a happy me. Iyem Bianiku. You know, yeah. 3 years, 2 years relationship, it was stay you way. Almost say, Hannah analyzing me soon. Mammy, we got talon way, what telling me by. If I book a gear way. In real life, when I say nitty, it can need to get so can honor head meno. Ye beku. Oh, me yari mezis. Oh, we have the mezis on ya say on you, me. Any need to send him. Can dog manager quick be making ya. In need to be. When it was so natural no correcting your sick bavo. You only when you were many correct why you are your kaka at big boy. At big boy. Ina iko kanse you no gbena reke no ohuni wa meje wa en mi osu no ni ya abi egbena ya ribude ni ya le lo sikia mo no sandi me na o se atori yan iwe ga to go ve ima ogo mo sigbovu yes ma ogo mo sigbovu ike ajo wa the year 2016 igbovu no ga le lo ga yan mo gwa won de iya fe wa say relation for long he get is go no pe no eyin me no bi are pa oni wa si gbovo so to pe ni ga lele eyin wa ga tie awu wa se me ajuzo ono no ba ya tie mu me ria iyan pa so onya ga bugbe webu no ya mi aju wa do relax you at least o ke say no me here renew ma we gbe bo me ye mo yan kan lele yan ade Nigeria deti me ri amo lele me mo wa re webo ni wa bi o mo no sadi me so ti re do mo ire do mo we si egbonu na mi mefa wa the president ogia me gufo eku na me show police ije me show ire to wa Lagos ije opa won din ko so se gugun yes so everything won pa mai ni alivier o se gugun opa won din me ba igbovo ni ga ro imae la ebu egwa we aso bia ono se ogbeso wa hia mo eme nwari ya wana mo enwa yo abo du wa hia mo eme nwari ya wa we na na ugwe aso bia o hia no wota na ono na o rezo we na mo kwo for instance una la ni ona afia we agbejeba ama odo ne mari amogwa ne do aziro ne no ama etu yo gbe won aye 2 years 3 years e wo e pa be fa be wa ga information won gbe so wa we ga lo enwon abai wa na am information won gbe so wa hia mo ni o maria secondly uwe imwemwe we wa ese yo ni ipi edo webo ipi edo ni re webo onwa gi ya mwemwe ama wi hu nwe wa yen gi gba sawo wu wa gi imagine do deni na mi go wa yen gege na igba ya gbe do deni na mi go ipi edo mwemwe ama hu edo we mi ipi edo no mwemwe webo o we tin ya se drama wi hu edo hen do mwemwe oni we bolo fo wa the other one way we our guys ni mo ni information when you pa ma yin wa bun no lelewe fake account yin wa henene e pa ma polo Okpolo. And we buva o me group no dey against him. Just you say pama. Aside buva ni jo ya mente pama. O wa me group no dey against him. Ni ka resike. Igbese be le. Iyan ma gegbe opo me. O wa me set no hin. Usu ya we use fake account we ya lelewe. Won sa le but enwa ya ati lo. Ige any day ke anything concerning pama we Nigeria matter e kesike yan. Ni sike ni sike ne. Yes. You seek any. You trust in every other one sort of bianch. But ima luewen. Medwe wa degina. Enu me na very free human be wa ho. Maybe mo ko wa do gwa kan o me sunya catalog wa do ta rubbish. We what pass the main message ni mene. Igbo fono wi yen ni. Nye meti gbi me. Ye egbe yan le lu po be vi mene na. Nobody knows. This is the only way to come out of social media. Ya many area. And I batama we pa. We want like profile me. Do we have me anything concerning where we profile me? Who for a comment na you comment or comment I will post. No why we no me why comment good why show a post. No why we do why comment we comment. But a block say. We let the comments. Who why buy only ya go there because he only hearing. And they no mama no boom no be you know. Wa me lo ko bia obey when who me lo ko obey we that but ibu do pa ni hare ne keke no riri age agba emi agba oga bitre do bia bitre do hu oga bitre de ivi o bitre no ro agbon ohia pa na won ji okon na gia senya o la wa ge pa wa ge senya e ohia wa agbon because betray ya dano udigbovo una fiance we no bia no talo Facebook e talo ya fe no talo me wa de comment e ma so yan ti e la e ma no gele me we pama de mayoka appearance me lo wi ahege eniti wa na hina eniti gbe iye gbe me ya ku ije me e talo toto ndu we wa atalo dos no ya ri but ibu do pa hare no epa won wegbe awe man we egbe karo pa na ti bu wero wa we gbe ja o we wu baba but uwu wo he na okuko won okuko ahia we na kwesare mu e but ohia wu won sa de me na because even on normal offense we eyan do yo ge ya ta offense no make na ti gbo ni out of jealous so ya tam go not you we no say me no out of jealous we yan agbe ni me because if you know what I just want to know but me when I re marriage by me but lo bia no gre help me and I know enyo pa de kun awie won sa de me na igba shawo wiwere Nigeria na ifule gbe me ya wa agwopa irresponsible gbe very responsible woman odegina iya mana uwe na teni ya lo eku iya ti rie bae igbovo no ga awiyan ifu kenile ne pama de you can use the fake accounts ya hardware up ni go egon concerning them awe guys ni ati use €100 ya lu won me keka no bia €100 150 ya lu won putu ikbia taking ya serious iya yes the luggage ya bia key iya shata u bata shata u bia ikbia taking ya serious menoko bia complain iya on me mu meroto ono se ala we ebolo eni ya ga tale ni meni kinvege ni me do surprise we wa iweta but so konpa epa kire what those things nu kire ba nwere uguna expect we to talk agbe ka gbudo ka anything nothing dey happen wait 301 your here narrative my dear brother ugbu ahiare no yare so don't make an out say eno gbe kita egbe kita we no make an out say my dear brother no make an out say e mo hia say ya gbon na iya hia na eni esi obi umad ani no we man ni titu mo ivie iya na eni esi no awu yo to ne mo make na rie uwe wa fi o no mo go na je wa o re ni hepa eyin le no o bia no ire wa no wa dia ije even son of menu me na eno you mess up for 1 week there is something fishing o kan pe ya fi egwe there is something fishing because ologo ile kebe nenwe but our retota ije our retota na wa gene jiwo ije ya o ko ye wa sekenije ni o ko ni atemu every other thing no go there Even no, Osaya women. Osaya women. Iyo bu ye wa mi. What back I me lucky. I wa me lucky ya. So it bovoni. Oh, si many. Temu buya de. I wa gbere ine. I in your way very me hulinya we gbere kia. Ye yana. Mosef, osa hele na ruwe buwe ni amo eh. No be ya like we senya. Mo eh. Truth. Enti mo se me imagine. Me mama se say in there yana. Who's in our result of this? Why not see it? Because there is something about me. I'm so unique. Whatever say me. But we be my way amuzia. Not go see. I'm not there lavanine. Not going. No. Oh bo. Obey you no. So what mama what I say. You know I young baby because the young baby first me do. We say man wa me be saga. Men wa me the problem, men wa me the problem. Truth. Wa me the saga, uda wa me want help plus view. You go allow account papa. Wa me the saga. Wa me the saga. You will feel where to work ben anybody. O mo ma te boy, it you keep but you keep water when already. You keep water when I get te bo ba we. So te young girl wa me ma we. Then you hear we better na my katase. But e mani e vegele young giwe. Young giwe, but take it easy. Every other one you were born here water. A boduma on the way in your daughter, epa. Again, one more over here. Oh, one more over. Umade matano. Umade no. We are one who am work where woman like you already. So we matter who are conclude. Alwe when. You know my gas here. Ogbo your manager me. It's the Nigeria, my dear. I just tired. I hear you talk, so you'll be like, say, this fire. Truth, if no man get ban. Oh, boma. Take it easy. Women, we say anime. We feel we women that. Every that way we may because that will matter na mi la diana. So tana ye wa we ma we. Ija, I know ma so wa gyo ma. Do we matter na mi la dey continue monte come la do. Okay, do ya ebu wa oge egu. Awe, comment no, post no ka uno mi wa emi ni u o ma de correspond. Igbovo ayagbo giame poli we do tono na latiana me na ido gogo uma se na digwe na ya te digwe no make na eri gele serious ugwe se we have egbe me why you have egbe me because it's a logbe even secret in egbe me truth igele me secret anything me afia ni ya we talking and me talk me first time of coming home 2016 ni kadi Nigeria iya mi mo wa mo de na we mo picture we compound on na cause we give me mu the street am mo picture ni na we mo picture we compound me you know we mo e Facebook come we like a dressing eje we do me na do ha ni aga tan we mo gwa mo de mo gwe Sylvia ni wo me this brother emi yo fun yan ta ko gbe so they say ya mo ma gboto ado ta se kinu weje we ma na o gere wa ta e pa e ko no ya hu we wa fu wa make you go make anyway here make ego na you agba here pass I one day me like saga no okay na te even na eti every man ori emegbere every man ori emegbere obun emi ya hin okay na te ni no man no mo ne we obo ye wa go kenye ri ajira but dan ye le ni here eye me lucky ni ya re dagbo ya we mufuwa won ni ya no fia won ni ya atafo we turn we like farmer de mayoka we have many of them cause sunya lelewe really information we won ni ya kwasiko ku o won ni ya we ya pon ya mu no ma we no ma so agwagwa upon won gwa upon me no go we na jo ya fit me o ga ready fit me agwagwa wa ta mo ko ni wa me so wa yo apegbe me yo ko ka say you know ne there is something fishy in that place you go say you know my what ya bagbe ya sorry my dear we all here answer me yo me saga God forbid you want like Facebook why we advice no about prophetess me so e ma ya wina we all sa ko e ma hear your message so here we na we you yari bududo ma ya why like come no we rubbish what we comment you post we why we see we complimentary we we go share iri meje why we concentrate comment mo pa na we ever relate no line. There is something fishy waited the cocoa no way. I'm when a meg wanna pay way out of jealousy. I'm going to go. And I'm the put a Nigeria 2 years for my few way. They no more say, you go beso for 1 week. For 1 week, beso 2 weeks. Beso you have for either or 4 book in Nigeria. No more say, ne. Umose ne. Egbofu you out down muse. Egbofu you out down me lucky ya. Egbofu you out down me go. We leru no those ways or do mose gwale vi ru ya pe ose wela dia. E ga gbofu wa. Osime no do hi weni. Igile lo bia. O mureto wa mereko. Yes, I'm not on to women. Police no, you know why police no. We are in a marriage, but boom way anything. But me or more comment friend a single boy. Yes, we are not bien lady. Come me bien, no making I value me. It go one. And now you confuse me now, or by good one. But he ain't even trust you way. But me no him no way. He ain't no him no way. So to not give away my way. My dear, other na do say inness. Other na man woman no. Many no fit marry. Hey, mani vejere. Imagine what. Epa, won't be ya. Ishe. Obey me no. Won't be ya. Ni tota say. Ishe. Oh, what do mu ha? Oh, what do mu ha? Yes. Ima want it idere left up ya. Oh, yeah, why we meet 10 years? So, you want to be a left for woman, on the money at the joke. Oh, what the moment won't it be a marriage? A marriage is very living. A van noir, a knitting noir, name anything, a bed noir, name anything. In the marriage, when I see it. Because you have to take a rubbish, they will both do it. 80% of marriage women, they're inside fire. A fire with marriage in Yaji. Tinya wa pretend no get yare o yaruwe e marriage mumo ha e to why ti na marriage na to go beer or the cocoa anything yata no make na me metano agboya ewe no already 99% in ta oge no yes oge no ore gbagboya e pa mi aga we make you better anybody cause anywhere him to buwe dead among the living. Say if I heard we are back, we won't for long. Umae, and okay, damn sege, oh, how where, oh, no, what he will do, only about money low. Come ya robodo, a runinana wame baba, give my thought to say, the maye a denofwa, ya hente it could be. Not just the sex or the money. There my hako bao save with old age, a little rain. But oh, how my way. Oh, say what here we so every budinwe. E no gyote wezi de every budinwe. Uma ewe mami. Imagine mama even what they sing lati. E mama even na. E mama no why buwa. To this way why follow buwe. Ewe mani karen ni umati ya o wana ma edo do si oweda da. All because ose no gbovome do hie menwe. So to na gyo wa me mawe. Ija again you umegbe. Ime no you wo. But o umegbe. Oh megbe me say ma lo ye kide esi rebe oh megbe oga na bia won babo ma jwa bana do so ma gidowa e yo wa tebe se oh megbe ge ni sha imawe mi ropa all because we egu akoseni ya we ga togo me oh megbe ono se me na re po me nu gwe na we si boze because nwe emi oyunwa or osno edagoma every time. If you want osno edagoma, not my friend though, not my friend. As he described my house, cause man why the friend nobody know apart from my friends. Nobody know, and I know the one why I tell you, and I know what I sit there inside. You get what a part talk, I know talker inside. I know. If I tell you something, you know different thing I they tell them, so that in case I hear, I know where you come from. So the person describe my own house. Ije, why ko igbose? Osa gioma ariye imi. O ma so gwa? O ma so who say imi ni spirit wo wa hangi e ho. Oh, won kokin. O ti o ma ni wu, o hin na rest. E ho le agbo me mi agbe rest e pa ma ma gugu an. wa wa Google ma cho wa gbe kan boy ma oni tie bonu because me there we ma oni te de hu awu but wa wu yes wa wu boy ma ita ma we de hu awu but we wu ne o umae ugbe kan wa ni bugbe ne e ma ni je wu we no say we can we say ugbe kan wa ni bugbe ne anenu ya pe aeti egbe baba u wo kan awu o ma ti gbo wu wo kan bo tun yan wu okuko u kan awu okuko because geoma gbe kan we before ke gbe kan mani e comment ya ni ya ka ma ya me gwa comment le post ni ya ba money ya do go there we may no sunu e me time when I police we gwa kan we dey marriage ba my kan me but me lele eromo yes e matter no but o se me gugun o ma not we no se me no igbovo o ya we won no sare me yete we gba why is we be na do me on Facebook you do misbehave ni yete wu ni kin but ni wa we making you understand a guy na Facebook you might the Facebook exist and ike to lo nwe before me with the next door ya dey for ogbon me ike to no onwe we na o no enu to lo nwe ji eyin me no nwa o me no sapa ya wo wa o ho no aho na gbon me wi wa ho ho enu sa ya wo me no o sent lele we hia e hia ya mi me win we webo e na lo wi o hi me so ko me win me ake ko me lo gba 5 na esu ndani we dey relationship we only be an date e ma tiyan ni amu meria ipia ni listen e date up there for 3 years upon my dem ya ma gegbe oko pia ni o ma bugo yo han we ni o he mi o ma be but o mi na do la I ma won ko o ma bugo yo hun o ko ni ma re bo ni single mara no e bo ni boya ma gegbe ya wo han friend o no vie me won momo we single go voe ya eno bia ni ya friend me cause nwere ikpe so different friend gets adekun ami na friend la down me na friend le me o ko na mule mo hia mo bia le me o ko na mule o talk of education ko gwa le ba ko needs ije owo se me at the 60% no bia we hia ya yo wo ge need ni ugu to re yo bia we ne mi no abostele me bia na o kan gbe me ije awa gun wa mo hia ka yes e me no o ho no emergency atwela there and bia no ete me so e lava won ko na neat o bia keri yo o ke ko wa neat ike sa hia tenity concerning jou e ma jaji bo wa gbin won ake gun e bo jaji ne e ma no ko wa gbin won me are kono je na akoka se we awon me there is something fishing even no we my there is something fishing ya koka se ni yo mi la tule re ya to asefo o ga me bude ni hare no ti wari ye wa like but it does have a wari bu ko ni wa dey o si gbo fun ya la mege we here wo ni ti se o mase easy pop you ko ate me relationship me de ban ya agwan me ma o ime o si gbo vo that means o ge wata lowo wa so on se gbese ya mo ye Facebook e live a fake life be real woman will not him a social media president na for your mind you talk be me ni my sister oh ya me rain but mo ire le gba ire ni ire saga God forbid ema eme no we Facebook already ibude ni buni he continue aboe wa we rubbish e comment your post rubbish na who ya wa we see what we comment e su igwe shoy but e share rubbish randa here you know yes on no ma we see he we comment awe fake account on lelugwa iyan po boyu wa e emi no ma gba no wa iyan po boyu wa one day wa wo for you social media president o ma pa tu we mi we wa we gbe e pa egun megu egun ugele we gbe we gbe o ma ti we mi iji gbegbe obo no sepe Nigeria ti we mi awa but wa hiawu okuko uwu do ri ehin wa no uhia expect wa ayo bogbudu gbe my dear brother My dear sister Tracy, they careful for all these people. But Palma de Mallorca big. You get a group when they're not good for Palma, when they stay Palma name. Now land of honey, milk and honey. Now land when me yours there, but if you don't do as prostitute, you go fit there they make your money. Yes, peacefully. But the evil ones when they say they don't make them, Agbama Maya, don't want just their bad net to spoil that land. Now make if they hear Palma, people they feel say be now one can use less place. Now best place to go stay. But those one matter no me with the fishing and devil they don't be them. Not be them. Wait till they shop wood they inside wood. Me no knows is there. Not be them. The fake accounts where they say all those one are them. But this very one where pardon so not be Palma people. No. Now Palma the people still do, but not be the people me they suspect. This one are your friend gone. When I tell about me about my relationship, out of facilitate the jolly me. You know, see if you jump better man. Like God said, say this one, go help that woman. God knows, say me, I only share myself. To sleep with different man, they irritates me. And then one me two men, they see my something. God go just send one come for me, and I saw my life till they go. Out of jealousy. Now I tell me give Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy, you do me good. I appreciate her. But you for still investigate well. Something they describe my house. See, get some kind of way you talk sometimes. You can't make you stupid. This woman they don't know her. You don't kind of drug her come out. And even when no one do the thing, it take 4 days for do that thing. They try to tell you say she they use your name they sick, she they come. Why you not go through the person profile? For me choose all the videos where she they do, whether it concern you, whether they will mention your name at all. For you just to talk. Be Ozo we here. Eh? Ozo e mahi. No wa bi ohun. Eh? Me jo ma yeta ma nge di money o mari. Ali advert my way no way. My dear, my way ma o ge ka way ma o ne. Ije, ozo e mahi. Ukongbe, but we see. You appreciate it we. Because we save me. If no you are we ramu mukian o gan me me. Imomo. Yes, a lot because no yaron me koy ata mo se. Iya ke gbogyan me mfo yin. Uwe do time me na me be careful. Uwe time me na me be careful. Uwa we rubbish we wa ata lo ni na ya me be me nikin. Ne me ya re ri won mare mata lo do sise. Wa mu we obo ge o ma we. So what those is we ita lo. Neglecting ni wono sade me we makate no so ni we gbe ma ve o mo he mado no we are me appearance someone we are ego man no me ajuzi me ya zeri when ana carry you ya zeri for responsible way in anything I am zeri you honestly gbovolele me wo ni wa ira yo egoko ni wa me zeri ke ni meje in anything for fashion wo egbigo we be anything, we boss, we be education, we be responsible. I am a zeri. Opia alele, opia proud to be my guy. Opia aruwebu, okon me maotake. We can only adore them. Proud to be my boyfriend. Opia wa proud. Me ado opia ado botos me. I say me tell me yad lile. Yen na me here lege boyfriend me him. But I'm we guess it's so late. Oh, see a buru yen malo yeke. Oh, wale we. Iya wa bon e Palma de Mallorca. Uso no gbon mani se. Aya go ni gun. Iwa la de dori buri ma like no won wa mo ni o mari. Awa ma ni mo no mari. Me again wa mi. My dear, evil friends for everywhere. But this one Eddie Murphy na still evil human being. Before you want spoil somebody's name. Imagine person you describe person has. Describe and say the relationship. You know, can't use your brain. No, you see reason I say, I've been jealous and I made this guy want to do this. It will be the person to run. They would tell you say they insult you so that make you do the thing. Why you not go through my profile? May you go say that through they insult you. The person me not be like for all these social media press or whatever. I only know gay. The rest na bianch. Because na rubbish they do saga. And no get off do saga and this say idiot na drag and enter saga. See, this man no. See Anyway, we are more Enivia Bongia. If we go Oba eba wa hun se pe. Okuta wegbe uga ma ve. O me ti we mi. Eddie Murphy, I ti gbuwe. No. I ti gbuwe. Okay. O ma ba ti wo gede wegbe. Okuta wegbe no vekela dan we hin. But we very simple. We were very simple. We are kuko. Oho ye la jando ate tata toto no problem oho ni iware do ide de mo wo wesi. Uwe bossy. No na me mefa but ye trust any trust to. No matter what. You got me na ikita na fia one boy. We last week. Ona we have a case no. You can't be na me ne. Ikita if ya one boy, na your body gbe kitani. Ina ade no for woda o. Ikita be no for woda o. Na ko fina ni megbe ban brown be black no for no roda o. Igi yori na leru na tamoma. Ya wo ko no. Keke na ike ade onye he ya moe. Ege fe di lebe mi na. Iga oga mega we party ge me. O se na iya na ro ame from egedege. No ro ame wo ina zoku. Ye iseke no je na wo mo yo nwuri. O ma no ka boss kene. Ni ya na ya kpoge, ya na ma kpoge jo. Ye na we o no na. Oh mana. And why is it do gbo wa ri ni me lu pobo ne. Wa ma gba e wa na we di mo fi o hen later hen de nu wa. My dear sister. Ibudo pa hen wari no mami gbovonu ihoni wa nu ya sin ya koto umana kerebo ugudo wiro yan de bawe but agba we eyin mi agba we wa bitodo ya wa bitodo ku wa bitode ma ya fe lega o hia pa lu hia wa agbon o hia ye na wa kian go hia yes nuwe wa bitodo ya bitodo ku bitodo mo bombo to bro mo we wa bitodo yin betray de no ragbon o hia pa o lu hia sisi mewe man wele you we boy man ku dai kagun agon we bu wele ejini una describe of women okay na ya gbon ma wa thank God yigire do igbo iwe ko se stop describe wa me iwe se ve yo u to we talk of me why was me like that for no reason I went in my Facebook that is other way. Ige o ya me ma o wa. Me ma understand. Ibu de name other way we gbe. O hia pa. O hia pa o hia ni. E kia hia we hia. We gbe la won. Why is it do agbon me do gba we. Agbon me hia gba we. Keke no ru ya ji. Onu ya he me no bia na ni eje na yi no na wu ne already. Won sa de ogune won okoko ahia awu awetu ma push okuko won say na ka won ma na awu okuko won no sadi me wu doire ohia debawe enu ya hieme ko ima we mi ropa o se guan ategwegwe guan wa won gogo edagbo we go se guan why you do the marriage ba ni maka me ile lo bia no ribu no happy me yes o wa happy me don't know gbofo no ga we imagine what give buffet me give wa me give me ya fi working ija no awe o ma no best social media awe best social media gbe fe re man na we bi ya fe loneliness bugbe wa gbon e ma ro no yo yan ya kun go yan we pe egbe ma be e ma ro no yan ri bude ne ma o ma ni me be bu o dey through my video we learn o be the happiness me company no social media o ma ye no since love your different male happiness well men not to come on Facebook you will catch a phone because back come so ya with me honest it's okay for me one on man so igbo for no lawe gbo no ya lawe gbe kin we so Eddie Murphy we so igele appreciate we in my life we but you know we waje we no already but wa ohono ma dan o we mi esinu we appreciate it. Who wa fi mi da we mi da me ma je. Udora ma o because the boy e boss abake time ma me iyo o ga me yin ho. na ke ye mo se ya bumode na ke ye mo se ya bumode master we don jare na ke ye mo se ya bumode iho o ya me wa yin ho anything no ri aso agbo mi ya time ma wo se only me that you understand me now nothing egbe this the only way to somebody here pass a message na me ni echo but for we ku wa na agba ni ne no a message no you appreciate we see but kire anything no really u ke mo mama latian try no investigate see igbo for ya mo enini so wo o ma no gbe kan wo yan gbe kan so do we aga lu on ni ni popo no ma ya we use ni we can make kan we ije I own a new western no ma ije e di mo fi do we ma I own any o say if gbe kan we even wa careful from you I own any western no ma I own na mo nu we mo ma you nuta so I wa careful from you gbe kan ni we e comment o ga gbe ya no o wo pa and the main comment sort there recently they say I comment sort wọ́n understand me e comment me wa me no je he I go nu we so ni o ma we also don't want you for life but let's say egbon ma mi me ono se na opon mo we egbon ma me ko so me na aki me nu we e ti gbe kan we so man gbe kan we yan careful imagine I will forgive o bianane na cause maybe bunota lo ni mai jere owo we what eruwala me ma bia ni mai me de iya ze tu no bia li so me na like prefer be na agwa lo here ina lo mi o kan tro ka ya trese o ko bia na eruwala lo bia wa mo se sha o mo se ido de no se lu igbo fun na lawe gbe won bia mo se so bia ni wa igbo fa aro ugbo atalo ni pe we kan o gboba. My sister said not to bad friends, so our echo. Iyawa afọ yo bowe eva ya gwe. Na get my boss say ma ho. Oh no, no surprise me. So to na bi wa me. E bo free de na we iwina no wina. Ana tele mi ya fe. Mr. Lady say no, but it get so kind way they go surprise you. No, this thing surprised me. Why surprised? Say, oh, say you walk away. What belly leg? Ije. Oh, my mind didn't look ya. Ije. Ya say go on again. Oh, say me woman be no. Okay, all those we are yaming na. We are your those yaming. We are yaming. Ekelike be George. Estano saba ya wo wa. Erin wa popo man say. Amen no. Even lucky wo, but a lucky yeah, even no. As if you with it, because imagine me send. Even in the marriage, you send nothing. You send. We may they said anything. When we give me a slasla, you say we go. You give me a slasla because if you get there is another word after this word. So anywhere, create anywhere, say. Oh, my Jesus, create anywhere, say. You guys want here go say nini aye or any see. Create anywhere, say. Oh, you create anyway, say. Why ya who say nini aye no any see. Social media president Eddie Murphy. Fiwerie. If you want continue to anywhere ni. Fiwerie. Emi ya factor. O we fi we gbe ni me na wa ni ya si won atete ni we me na itagbe. O mo di we no ta to do kion zuo. Ehwe we ya kwito we na ru waila. Ehwe we odo mi awe igbe ti Monica we na e ka ti Monica. E ka ti ko so mo na ti awo udan ma ti no egbe iwo we. Wo he we continue with on na ma he. Ama eme. Here why you are sing well as wa ta agbe do be stupid na. At a heju wo mata e ko we ga zuo. Ulu enwa we na. Ulu enwa. Ijime. Make us age we I swear to God, my can create wonders. Ye ni me asi won re no ma. Eje. No. Wesha ebonosha wen iye no wale lo ma ni hian. O ma ni ke ya hio ma wu no do hio ma. Iye wa no. Eni ni o se a o na gbe ni o ma. E yo bo we gbe ni we. Cause anywhere no yo bu we gbe. O hian lele we hian. Na you nu gbe no. Why we are in real life. Eke ni tike suwen. so te me Isaac your what need to ukpo ime ya akupon ya hoye ime yo emi an ino ibu edoto na re emi we wa so no me no sun owe no ma no me ni not here so me gba ma me ko te we te peka. My dear brother, I don't do jare princess Ivie. What another iwa we gwegun because in figure me dey women e ma me si. Me si. O se no do hia me no ma to we ya me si. We gbeti your money. O ke wegu wo si we nine na wo si nothing matter ma we do matter ma we. Edi Mofi I mai beka we dey mai we dey. Iwa dey we anywhere I go na so anywhere because we are je mo no gbeka we. I learn when money Maria, so I will work careful from you. Is there a regular kind of head guy area? A girlfriend and I'm more wobo. It's here where we both here jere. We got respect not see we. Una explain my girlfriend and I pa oh no zigo no be agbeni. O manari e yoje. I so amoni be area here. But Amario is that work zigo no be ani. Wa gale lo be lo enwe. E love for one wa le ga wo wa lo be pa. Omade ko pozigo be nuzigo no mosmara ewe iwe agbenu gba ni be gani alu enwe my dear brother alu enwe waya wesi de mesi yen have geme be na ma eme o ma eme ko si yan no re ni na have geme so ikese message na na technology wa gwegwa no ro enwe na ya hu okuko because we work very close. It might be, but we work boy no very close because your boss be not creative be ne. I don't hear who. Oh here who okuko. Oh here who okuko. Because any wa una also surprising me. Yeah, always saga, but no. This one is not saga na. One mo no one when the area. When now we more. For no reason, out of jealousy. No say I'm when no. Life is not like that. Yeah, you got to now comment here post to no zuovo. Are you going to word? Ni rozanga owiya. Why when you see a comment you why when me then with your boy? It was many in Facebook. Now it's very good and you good in it. Agboya comment fake account of boost but real life meme yalaja o ma kan wa like with your me we gbe e block yan block on say when I make comment do him we why ko wa baba.